Welcome guys to another traffic video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. I'm really happy for this video, to be honest, because it's the first time I'm actually talking about Traffic4Me on my channel, and I think that it well deserves its praises. There are various reasons for Traffic4Me being one of the, let's say, high quality traffic sources, and it is one of the reasons why it is in my list of the top 3 best paying traffic sources that exist online. Because without it, well, let's just say that a lot of people wouldn't be making a significant amount of income. So let me just explain to you guys about Traffic4Me. Okay, they have very high quality lists that they're selling on their website, but it's all top tier. So the quality of traffic is definitely something that is looked at, is frequently under a lot of pressure and eyes, and if it's not up to the mark, ciao ciao kind of thing, you go away. They also have a really cool aspect to it, which I'm going to show you guys in a bit, which is segmented to what kind of business you have. Now, this is something that a lot of people don't give you. In solo ads, they don't give you this, but in Traffic4Me, they do. Now, what do I mean by that? For example, if you have your what they call biz op traffic, so if your business opportunity traffic, if your crypto opportunity traffic. So they added crypto opportunity traffic when the cryptocurrency industry started to boom, which means they segmented their lists in people interested in cryptocurrency, which means that the quality of traffic is much higher, because if you're sending cryptocurrency related stuff, then you're going to get results. Okay, or make money online category, they have it segmented as well. Then they also have segmented to health and fitness category. So that's another reason why I personally feel like somebody. I'll give an example. Okay, let's take into consideration that you might start. You want to grow your email list very generically, but you want to make sales with affiliate marketing through ClickBank products. I don't want to do this right now. Maybe in the future I will, but say at the moment I don't want to, and I want to. I said at the moment I want to, and I look into starting a list with health and fitness in mind. So I look for a product in ClickBank, and I find a product in ClickBank that is related to health and fitness, that is converting well, etc., etc. I build a small sales funnel around it with an email follow-up series, etc., etc., etc. Okay, the usual, or let's say I can teach this on other videos, but surprisingly, I'm just talking about Traffic4Me in this video, right? And you create everything related to health and fitness. It has nothing to do with your brand. It has nothing to do with anything. You just want a generic health and fitness kind of campaign, and you created it. Now, you can do 2 things in this category. Usually people will tell you to look at Google AdSense or Google AdWords, or maybe what else? They'll ask you to look at Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and then target according to the specific niche that you're looking in, right? Well, the advantage of Traffic4Me is that you can use it, set up a campaign, set up how many clicks you want, say I'm going to spend this much because the product gives me 50% commissions, and I hope, or I'm doing this for the long term, so I'm ready to spend, let's say, I don't know, 200, 300, 400 US dollars per week, and I'm going to send that every single week, and the sales that I'm going to get residual is going to be much higher on the back end, so let's try to do that. And you do that, and you sell it. There's a higher probability they're going to make sales much quicker with Traffic4Me. Again, I cannot guarantee you this, but it is targeted traffic because it's looking for health and fitness. So it's in the health and fitness zone. It wants health and fitness. You're giving people health and fitness. You make sales from that, and you're earning from that. You take a percentage, you put it back into Traffic4Me. So The idea of Traffic4Me is that it really can help you in each and every business that you have to offer. Obviously, looking at the categories, you will need to check whether you want to use them or not, but it's up to you completely in this choice. Okay, if that is the case, I would always suggest to go for starter packages, before you go into the premium high quality traffic, because it is already high quality and the other traffic does take time. Or you can set up a monthly purchase in Traffic4Me, and they're going to send you clicks every single month. Not many traffic vendors would do that, but they are highly confident. And for you, for example, to become an affiliate, as far as I remember before, you needed to have at least 10,000 clicks purchased through Traffic4Me before they even consider you as an affiliate of their website, which means that you have to give them a lot of money before they actually make you an affiliate, because you're spending 10,000 clicks would be per month, which would be, and you think you have to have a consistency of 3 months or something like that, which would be over 30,000 US dollars almost, let's say, that you're spending, and you're getting that much before you actually are an affiliate of their site. So it's a pretty high top tier traffic source. That's the reason why it's the last traffic source in the pro system that I have in place, and why I have added it to the pro system, because it's very targeted to my specific niche that I'm looking at. Okay, so it's up to you whether you want to use it. I'm going to leave a link. Actually, I'm not going to leave a link to Traffic4Me in the description of this video. There's no affiliate kind of thing. But if you do want to check it out, this is how the website looks. Okay. This is how the website looks. Okay. 100% real clicks, no BS, guaranteed, blah, blah, blah. You can check out the different kinds of companies that use it. As you can see, they have quite a bit of awesome companies that are using it. So these are the testimonials, what kind of traffic you need, etc., etc. And you can go ahead and actually purchase from them whenever you do feel like. My name is Dave Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. Traffic4Me is part of the pro system that I have. That link is in the description of this video in case you're interested to work with me. And I'm going to see you otherwise on the next video. Have a great day and hit the subscribe button if you did like the content.